My name is Rufus Pollock, and I am one of the co-creators of Flowershow and the founder of Datopian. So I'm going to be converting my personal website, rufuspollock.com, over to Flowershow, and I wanted to share why. So Flowershow is a tool for creating markdown-based websites, blogs, and knowledge bases. Now, right now, my site runs in Hugo, and honestly, I barely update it. It's fast, but the workflow isn't fun. Editing feels like a chore. It's not integrated with my day-to-day write or notes. I mainly use Obsidian now. And in addition, whenever I go to make some change in the actual Hugo code base, it's been like a year or 2 years, and there's something that I need to update, and then it breaks, and there was an issue with the markdown rendering. I just don't want any of that hassle. And so what I really want is something that's closer to a kind of digital garden with like one-click publishing. It's like a living knowledge base, a blog, and a couple of well-designed landing pages, my front page, some other page on the site. And I want it to be all in one and easy to evolve and very easy to publish. And that's what Flowershow lets me do. So let's just take a quick note that this is the start of the process. I haven't even yet migrated. So this is going to be an experiment about how we can use Flowershow to do this. And this is the before, and I'll share the journey as I go along. So I want to start by showing you my current site and the raw code behind it. So I just want to now show where we are starting from. This is my current website. As you say, it has a proper landing page. It hasn't been updated in a while, but it's kind of a proper thing. It's not. And I've got several pages. I've got an about page, I've a speaking page, and I have a blog. I have a blog again. As I said, it hasn't been updated actually so recently. I now write elsewhere, precisely because I said of the kind of slight impedance between, the setup I have that I like for my own writing nowadays, which is more digital garden-esque. I work in Obsidian. I just have notes on disk, and I don't want to have to kind of fit my structure and my thought process around my content management system. Even one, is pretty great, as lightweight as Hugo, it still structures things. And as you can see, this is the actual back-end content for that website. This is the Hugo website. And this is before I've changed. You can actually watch me make the changes. It's pretty raw at the moment. And you've got the different folders. And you can see the way I kind of have to be forced into a certain structure for Hugo, which is a little bit of a pain point for me. Anyway, so this is the raw site, and we're about to go change it and actually see if we can convert this over to Flowershow. So follow along, let's see how we do.